Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to activate Siri or Hey Siri on your iPhone 16 series. All right, let's begin. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Apple Intelligence and Siri. Next, tap Talk to Siri. If Siri is currently turned off, select Siri or Hey Siri to enable voice activation. A setup screen will appear. Tap Continue, then follow the on-screen prompts by saying the example phrases. This allows your iPhone to recognize your voice and respond when you say Siri or Hey Siri. Once the setup is complete, tap Done to save your changes. You can now activate Siri by saying Siri or Hey Siri, then speak your command. You can also press and hold the side button to launch Siri manually if you prefer. If your iPhone supports Apple Intelligence, you can enable it from the same Apple Intelligence and Siri settings page for additional Siri features. However, this is optional. So that's basically how you can activate Siri or Hey Siri on your iPhone 16 series. That's it for this video. Thanks!